Today, I will show you how to precision processes impeller components in turbomachinery. Now we are carrying out the first step of processing after the material arrives and the lathe is used to process the outline. We will customize different processing methods according to the different structural characteristics of each component. For the impeller profile, lathe processing is the most suitable solution. These are the semi-finished products processed by lathes. Regarding the blades, we will use high-precision 5-axis CNC to take charge of this part. For the impeller, the accuracy of the blades is also very important. But for our customers, the efficiency with which they are processed is also very important. So we have been optimizing our processing technology to ensure both precision and efficiency. What is shown now is the final step of finishing. Some critical dimensions must be left for final processing. This is the key to ensuring stable accuracy. After completion, we will perform dynamic balancing and measurement according to the customer's requirements. Generally, we adopt two solutions. The first one is manual polishing. The second is to use a horizontal milling machine for drilling or milling. After completing the previous steps, this batch of impellers is completely finished, and I would like to show them to you. The next step is the preparation before shipment. Before shipment, we will use high-precision testing instruments to conduct a final re-inspection and issue a test report. Ensure that customers have a reference to the product data after receiving the goods, and ensure that each product meets the quality requirements. That's it. If you happen to have this need, you can contact us.